Okay, here we go. I have informed the hospital with a helipad that is within 5 miles of my current location about my flight time and the flight cubic area that I'll be using today. My max flight height will be 350. I've already set that in my DJI app. Here we go. Setting my precise takeoff point and taking off.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I'm at 66 feet now. Signal's still good. Losing signal now. Nope. I'm at 150 feet. I'm at 250 feet. I'm gonna take it up to 300 and stop her there. Take a look around. That is General Motors. That is where I work. This is the Tech Ridge area in North Austin. And as I said, I've already informed the airport that is nearby. I'm staying below the FAA regulated 400 feet maximum for unmanned aircraft. I am registered with the FAA. We've got some new construction going on over here. I'm going to take us down to a lower elevation so that we can see the ground below. So this is where I am. Right here, I'm in this parking lot that is coming into view right now. And there's my car. I am right there. I'm gonna take her down to 50 feet. Let's see if I can see it outside. And, oh yeah, I see it in the distance. I do see the drone now. Let's take it down. I'm gonna strafe off here. So this is the area. And there I am right there. I'm at 64% battery currently. I have about 9 minutes left in my flight time. I just need to make sure that I do not cross the roads. See, there's some traffic there. People are leaving for lunch. Again, FAA regulations dictate that you cannot fly over traffic. I'm going to take her forward. Again, making sure that I'm not flying over traffic. I also don't want to increase my elevation too much. I'm staying over an open area, keeping a close eye on my battery currently. We're at about 5 minutes and 20 seconds in the video. The signal strength is still at 75%, so we're good there. This is a new bridge that was constructed recently. Nice view of a pond there. Got some construction going on right there. Very cool all in all. I'm recording this from the DJI Mavic Air, and I'm gonna bring her home. Bring the elevation down too. We're at 32 feet, 30 feet. I want to make sure I stay away from the trees, folks. Bring her down even lower. 20 feet. I'm going to bring it right to my car. And here we are right here. And increase the elevation, we're pretty low. Bring her up slightly. Still at 30 feet, elevation is climbing. I'm gonna strafe it off right here. Still have 47% battery, 46%. FAA regulations also say that you're supposed to stay 100 feet away from power lines, so I'm going to make sure I don't get too close to those. Looks like I'm at 100 or 840 feet from my home point. The home point is the position in which you take off. And that position is accurately marked by the drone upon takeoff. Here I am again. I'm going to stop. I'm going to get out of the car now. You can see me now. I'm going to try to bring it to me in sport mode now. Take sport mode off.